Step 1. Measure the installation dimensions and the flatness of the wall and ground. 2. Ensure the verticality of the installation dimensions and the wall. If the inclination angle of the wall or ground is too large, corresponding adjustments should be made. Step 2. Install profiles on the wall. Place the bottom guide rail and the profiles on both sides in the installation position, and measure the verticality with a level gauge. Profile installation positioning. Use a pencil to mark the edge of the profile frame and the hole punching position. Remove the profile and use an impact drill to drill holes at the marked positions. Use a rubber hammer to drive the expanded rubber particles into the screw hole position. Move the lower guide rail and the wall materials on both sides to the corresponding marks and screw holes and tighten them with screws. Step 3. Install the fixed glass. Clip the fixed glass A and B into the slots of profile and bottom water strip. Clip the upper guide rail into the corresponding slot position at the top of the profiles on both sides and lock it with screws. Installation of pressuring blocks to fix the glass. Install the left and right fixed glass pressuring blocks to corresponding positions and lock them with screws. Step 4. Install the shaft. Install the bottom pivot clamp to the reserved hole of the bottom guide rail and lock it with screws. Install the upper pivot clamp to the reserved hole for the fixed glass, and use an Allen wrench to tighten the screw. Step 5. Install the movable glass. Insert the upper and bottom shaft clamps to reserved holes of corresponding movable glass, and use an Allen wrench to tighten with screws. Step 6. Install the adhesive strip. After the installation of the gasket strip, adjust the overall flatness and tightness of shower room. After the adjustment, press the block to cover fixed glass tightly. Step 7. Install the handle and apply glue. Apply glass adhesive to the joint between the profile and the two walls and stone foundation, and wait the solidification of glass adhesive completely around 24 hours till it can be used normally with water.